Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can now walk in. All right. Look at what I've just done. You don't need to wear your clothes so that you will get the exact thing you want. When you walk in, look at what I am doing. You'll be and at least shaking or shocking, feeling as if someone is stabbing or doing something hard to you. You can be doing that for few seconds or few minutes. All right. Then after this part now, that is all you need to do here. After that, the next thing you need is just to walk out. All right. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create another one together. Click on CapCut, new project now, import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it as we silence the volume. At this point, locate where you want it to start from. Immediately you take your stand. From this place now, you click it and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. All right. Click it now, expand it the way you want it to be so that the character will be seen very well. After that, you are going to be locating where you feel the video should stop. After your necessary adjustment, go and locate where you feel that the video should end. All right, locate where you want it to end. So at this part, before you walk out, click here and make a split. Delete this last part. All right. Click it now and do some necessary adjustment. All right. After that, then you are going to come back to the beginning of the video. Mark anywhere now. Click on overlay now. Add overlay. Then we import this sky. Import it. Then click it and go and look for freeze. We want to freeze it. Then freeze this part now. Click this one and delete it. Click this one and delete it. Click this one and drag it to the beginning. Then you click it and go and look for remove BG. Click it, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key, bring it to this green. Mark on this good. Then you go back, you click it again and look for adjust, guys. Locate adjust. Okay, click on adjust now. Look for HSL. Click on HSL. Mark on this green and reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on this good now. Then you go back. You want to locate mask. Click on mask. Click on rectangle now. All right. Then you mark out the part you want. After adjusting it, you play with this feather icon so that we are going to drag it down. After dragging it down, you mark on this good now. Then you go back. Then use your hand to adjust it the way you want it to be. Turn it to the side you want it to face. After that, you are going to be expounding it to make it fit. Place it the way you want it to be. You can see how I am trying to find my own perfect place. Then you come down and do your own. After placing it the way you want it to be, you are going to be dragging it, all right, to go and cover the whole video. Click it now and drag it to cover the whole video. After making it to align here, then you still come back now. Click on anywhere now. We are still going to be clicking on add overlay again. Click on add overlay. Import this smoke here. So import the smoke. We are still going to go and look for freeze. We are still going to be freezing this one too. So freeze it here again. You mark on this one and delete it like we did to the other one. Mark on this one and delete it as well. Click the middle one and drag it to the beginning. We are going to go and look for remove BG again. Click on remove BG, chroma key. Drag it to green part, mark on this good, then you go back. You click it and still locate adjust so that the green will be fully taken away. Click on adjust now, click on HSL, mark on this green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good, then you go back, still look for mask again. Click on mask, click on rectangle, then you mark out the part you want, do your necessary adjustment. You are going to be playing with that feather again. After doing your necessary adjustment, play with that feather, you mark on this good now, then you go back, turn it and position it the way you want it to be. After that, we are going to still be clicking it to click on splice. All right, we want to reduce the texture, so click it and click on splice. Then you reduce the texture to at least 75%. After reducing it, then you mark on this good and go back, drag it to cover the video too. After aligning it, you are going to come back for the third time. Then we want to click on add overlay again. Then you import this your video to workspace. As you import your video, click on that volume there, reduce it to 0 level, mark on this good, then you go back. Let's mark out the part we want. Click here now and make a split, delete this first part, then you drag it to the beginning of the video. So drag it, you come back now, you want to click it to go and still locate remove BG. Look for remove BG, guys. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about the video you just watched. All right, if you have any magic tricks or CapCut effect you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, if you love what we are doing, you love our video, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates if you have not done that. All right, at this point, we are welcoming you back to the tutorial. As you can see, that is still removing. All right, at this point it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. So we are still going to mark out the part we want. From here, you click on it, you are going to be making a split here. Make a split, delete this first part, still click it to take it to the beginning of the video. All right, so the next thing now is to crop it the way you want it to be. Look at what I am doing. After that, now you click on the video, you click on splice. All right, then you reduce the texture of the character. Look at it, reduce the texture of the character to at least 65. After making it 65, we are going to be marking on this good now to go back, but make it 65. All right, so you mark on this good, you go back. All right, at this point now, this video is ready. We are going to be playing it to see whether there is an error in the video. All right, then as you are playing it, you come down. If there are errors, you come down and correct your necessary mistakes. But as far as I'm concerned, I am sure that there is no error here. What you need to remember is to add your sound effect and every other effect you need to add on this video, and after that you can now export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add the sound or every other thing you are talking about. How do I do that? Don't worry, we have you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add those necessary sounds and every other effect you see on this video. Then after that, the next thing now is to click on export. Then you export this video to your gallery. Click on export now, then you allow the video to export. As it's exporting now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it your social media handles. Okay, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, if you love what we are doing, you love our video, smash your like button. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.